DBX for Goldmine can import data into Goldmine using text file data sources. The supported text file formats are tab delimited and comma separated files. I have here sample data currently loaded in Microsoft Excel, where the first row contains the column names for the data. I have column names such as contact, company, phone 1, phone 2, address, city, state, zip, and also have the key fields, and I have a column marked for a primary email and website. Using Excel, this data can easily be saved as a tab delimited file or as a comma separated file. So this file is already saved as a comma separated file or CSV. The file looks like this. Notice that the first row of the text file contains the column names, which matches the first row of the file that was opened in Excel. The next few rows contain the data. Each field contains information regarding the record that needs to be imported and separated by a comma. In this example, we have David Crane as the contact name, followed by comma to signify that that's the end of the data for that contact field, and then it's the start or the beginning of the company field data. In this case, it is Americana Shop. So let's close this test import file and launch DBX. We will log in using Sean, which is our master login. By default, DBX provides you the Quick Start Manager displayed automatically when you initially launch the application. For this demo, I'll just simply import a Goldmine contact record, and we'll provide a name for the import. We can say import contact data, and we just hit next, and then we specify what type of data we are currently importing. Our test import file contained primary contact information. So in this case, we simply select import primary contact. Then we click next. So now we can provide information as to the location of our import text file. So we select add new text file data source. In here, we can browse to the file, and the file that we need is located on the desktop, and it's called contact import CSV. Automatically, the data will be displayed in column and row format, mimicking how it was displayed in Excel. So now we can save this setting and proceed with the wizard and finish and apply the default settings for the field mapping. This is going to be a new import, so we don't need to really specify any criteria for matching purposes. So we just simply click OK. DBX had automatically provided to us the map fields based on the matching import fields that we provided in our text file. So as you can see, we have city, and we mapped it to a Goldmine field called city. We have company, and we mapped it to a company field in Goldmine. So all we need to do now is save and close this setting, and before we import, Let us take a look at the data that we have in Goldmine. It's currently empty. So if we try to run this process, we should see those 5 records that were in our text file. We have 5 records. And it imported our data based on our field mapping. The import process would be similar for a tab delimited file. The only difference would be that the data source text file will be in tab delimited format.